Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and congratulations. You have officially reached the end of the complete C++ course, covering everything from absolute basics to advanced real-world concepts. Whether you started as a beginner or joined midway, you have now built a solid foundation in modern C++. In this video, we'll recap what you have learned through the course, discuss the best next steps after mastering C++, share a roadmap for DSA and projects, and wrap up this course with a special thank you message. Let's take a quick walk down memory lane. You started by understanding basic syntax, variables, and data types. Then you mastered loops, conditions, and functions. We explored arrays, strings, and pointers, the foundation of memory management. You learned structures, classes, and objects, stepping into object oriented programming. Then came constructors, destructors, inheritance, and polymorphism, the building blocks of real world C++ applications. We then explored templates, exception handling, STL, vectors, maps, stacks, queues. You mastered file handling, lambdas, and smart pointers, which brought you into modern C++ development. Finally, you build a student management system combining everything. That's a complete project every C++ developer should know. You have done incredibly well. You have gone from hello world to a fully functional project. So what now? Here's a clear roadmap for what you can learn next, depending on your goals. If you want to crack coding interviews, improve logic and problem solving, compete in coding contests, then your next step should be C++ for DSA. Topics include arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, heaps, hashing, recursion, dynamic programming, sorting and searching. If you want to go deeper into memory management, multi-threading, design patterns, STL, then explore modern C++ features next. If your goal is development or portfolio building, then go for banking management system, inventory or library system, hospital management, quiz or games projects, file encryption, decryption tools. These projects solidify your understanding of OOP, file handling, and logic design. Once you are confident in core or OOP concepts, learn C++ with OpenGL or SFML for graphics, or dive into Unreal Engine for game development, or explore embedded C++ robotics if you are interested in hardware. C++ gives you a powerful foundation to move anywhere, software, games, or systems. Remember, learning C++ isn't just about syntax. It's about problem solving, logic, and building confidence as a programmer. You have completed something that many people give up on, and that already puts you ahead. Keep practicing, keep coding, and don't stop experimenting. The best way to grow is to build something new every week. Even if it's small, it keeps your skills sharp. Congratulations again for completing the full C++ course. If this course helped you, like this video, share the playlist with your friends, and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding, and stay awesome.